Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to import customers in Odoo via Odoo Shopify Connector app. Head over to Shopify Connector app, click on Instance, choose Specific Operation, choose Create Record in Import Action, select Customers in Import Operation. Make sure operation flow is Shopify to Odoo. We can import customers via import all, specific IDs or the date filter. If we choose import all the customers will be imported. Let's choose specific IDs. Head over to Shopify, copy the record ID and paste over it. We can choose to import multiple records separated by a comma. We have chosen 2 records to import. Click on execute. Head over to job lines. Here you can see job lines have been created for the records. We can wait for the cron or process them or manually. Head over to instance. As you can see, 2 more records for the customers have been created. Head over to customers in sales mark. Search for the customer name from Shopify in Odoo. As you can see, the related records along with the address contact have been created in Odoo. In this way, we can import customers from Shopify to Odoo. Thank you for watching. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same.